Empire Crypto TV, that project is a booming crypto project currently. That is DIONE. You can also find it right here on our TradingView platform as well. This is a daily chart for this booming project. DIONE, one of the crypto booming projects out there that you can invest in. Less than $1 projects that I like to look out to, that I think that have potential growth in the next booming market for crypto in 2024, next year. As soon as the halving is complete, these are some of the projects that you might see that will be booming. Even now, it can still be a potential project in 2023. Let's look at, this is a daily chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart rather. This daily chart is a little bit too recent, but let us just look at the chart right now on the 1 hour chart. How does it look? It looks pretty volatile. It's a volatile project. You know, there are no sideways trends where you see lack of volatility. You can see that there's a lot of volatility coming into this project, which means that there's also liquidity that has been provided. So the more participation in the project, the better the project is for investors in the crypto space. So this project here, this is one of the reasons why I chose it to make a video about it, because this project is quite volatile in the sense of trading. So buying and selling it is also one of the ways that you can engage in this project or try to make profits out of it. But if not, if you are not someone who is trading, looking at charts, maybe somehow this might be confusing to you. There are some people who just don't understand the nature of trading and the charts and so forth, but you can always join the community. The project right here, the interface is the main interface that you can look into. I like this interface. There's a whole lot of things that you can learn from blockchain protocols and so forth, but more importantly, there's also white paper I've seen here, and also there's a wallet that you can go through. This is a pretty fresh new project. Let me just look back when it was launched. Just want to see when it was launched. I think it was in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. If I look at my daily chart, I can see how recently it was launched. Let's look at this. Yes, this is the starting lineup for this project. Yes, it was last year, September 2022. Still pretty fresh, and there is still positive reviews regarding this project in itself. What is this project all about? This CoinMarketCap also has registered. There's a project DIONE Protocol news, and you can find all sorts of things on this project, the community. But let's see what this project is all about. DIONE is the native token for the DIONE protocol, an ecosystem with the goal of improving the ease of the purchase of decentralized tokens for the general public. Wow. DIONE puts a major focus on development of bridging the gap between real-world issues and the DeFi space, creating a system powered by renewable energy. Wow. Some of these projects can be quite problem-solving type of projects. That's what we need. If projects are not solving any problems in the real time, in the real world, they might not have any value whatsoever. That's why problem solving is the main concept going towards in the crypto space. Combining convenience and a safer decentralized future both have the common denominator of people. DIONE protocol puts people first by first building a strong community to come along into a powerful decentralized future. This information you can get. You can also please check out the link on the description section. Check out this project on Gate.io. I will drop the link on the description section where you can click on it and you can find the project and you can do whatsoever you want, trade it, invest in it, look into it. But this is the main interface for the project. It has a community, it has a broader development outside the trading platforms. It has its own native home in terms of its own community, its own website, its own story that it has to tell. Like many other projects that I've brought in here, they all have white papers and they all have a story to tell where it begins. Stage 1, phase 1. Okay, there is the phases that have been completed so far with this DIONE protocol project. The plan, the phase, and then the design is done. You can see like it's ticked, but it's just darkened. And then as well, this is the phase, the development phase, phase 3, phase 4, and going forward to phase 5. They all have maps, they all have white papers. Then they have a team. You can meet the team as well, meet their team. Okay, so Maximum Presepo, Chief Technical Officer of NEBRA. So NEBRA is, I think, is the main company, or I should say that the portal company that creates these projects, and these are the guys that are involved here in this type of projects. Usually crypto people like hiding themselves. They don't like to be seen by the general public, because some of these crypto projects, well, they rain down on them. They want all kinds of things. They want government issues, and they want things like restrictions that we are facing on 2023 in the crypto space. So there are a lot of guys who go behind these crypto projects. They don't like to be seen. They don't want to be known. So they're always on the hide, and somehow, someway, this project that has owners and people who are backing it, who are clearly on the front line and just showing themselves out. So, but yeah, well, if that's the way, which means they are trusting their project, it's a good investment, which means they are trusting their project, they are safe, and they are feeling like that they can go out there in the public. So which means people can invest in it because there is confidence in them, which means it's safe for anyone to come into this project. This is Empire Crypto TV. I hope you find this one informative. Go out there and check it out. DIONE. I'll leave the link on the description section. Please be sure to subscribe, and please also to like the show. Until next time, thank you very much, Empire.